Welcome back, everyone, to Di3. Today, we had some requests for how to get started in woodworking and maybe some essential tools that you might need. So I thought I'd provide a list and share that with everybody here, just kind of some of the things that I think that every woodworker that's serious in the business should have. So we'll get started here. Some essential power tools that you'll be looking for are a table saw, and ideally with the dado attachment, which allows you to do some different shelving. It's a dado, which would be some wider cuts into some wood material. It's also good for ripping and doing cross cuts and things with precision where you get the same dimensions every time. Router is a good thing because you can do your edge work, your detail, your kind of fine, intricate patterns and things like that with a router. And you'll also want a combination orbital and belt sander to do your end and side and face grains. You'll likely want a planer joiner combo machine to be able to get precision faces on your wood stock that you're using. And also a compound miter will help you do a variety of different angles and cuts and bevels and a bunch of different things like that. So you'll want one of those as well. Bandsaw will help you do the very intricate and detailed patterns as far as cutting around curves and lines. So you'll want a bandsaw. Some efficiency tips that you'll want to use are some things like sanding blocks. This is better than just your hand with sandpaper. You want to use a sanding block. If you put painter's tape around your glue joints and you pull the tape off after you've glued, you have a very easy and clean cleanup. That's very, very precise. So that's a good idea to use that. It helps you from having to sand the glue joints later, or as much. At least you'll have to sand it, but just not as much. You'll also want some type of a drafter's or builder's square. This will help you do a variety of different angles and precision angles every single time. And one tip is you want to make sure that all of your blades on your equipment stays very sharp. So you want some type of a blade sharpening or file system. And then lastly, you want some hand tools here. These are some essential hand tools. You'll want a variety of hand planes, a couple of rip and crosscut saws, and these are hand saws. There's some clamps, both hand clamps and bar clamps. You'll want both those series. Ideally, some type of a coping saw. This allows you to do your dovetail joints and things like that. So you'll want some type of a coping saw and very, very sharp wood chisels, and also a hand square that you can adjust the different parameters on. So hopefully that was helpful to get people started. There will be more woodworking videos to follow, but please subscribe, like, and share, and we will see you all on the next video. Thank you so much, everyone.